Why is it not advisable to be friends right after a breakup? What do you think? Breaking up is a huge emotional shock for everyone. Whether it is a long-term relationship or a short-lived spark, the pain after the end may spread if it is not dealt with in time. At this time, staying friends often becomes a hot topic among people. Many people think that they can still maintain a friendship after breaking up, which seems to be a rational and free-spirited performance. However, my point of view is that it is not advisable to stay friends immediately after breaking up for many reasons. Next, we will explore the deep reasons behind this phenomenon. 1. Emotions are not fully released. It is difficult to completely break up after a breakup, and there will still be emotional ties. During this period, both parties have not really let go of each other. Even if they are friendly on the surface, there will still be fluctuations in their hearts. If you are friends in this state, the hurt emotions will only be constantly stirred up, and it is difficult to achieve true release. 2. Consume each other's time and energy. When you try to be friends right after a breakup, you often spend a lot of time and energy trying to maintain an unhealthy relationship. For both parties, the effort to re-establish a friendship may distract them from the future, making it difficult to look forward and instead immerse themselves in the shadow of the past. 3. Misunderstandings caused by complex emotions. After a breakup, especially when one party still has feelings for the other, the process of being friends is often full of misunderstandings. Beneath the seemingly calm surface, there may be many contradictions hidden. If one party finds that the other party no longer has feelings for him or her, it is likely to lead to further deterioration of the relationship between the two parties and even cause deeper harm to each other. 4. Impact on the start of a new life. Breaking up is the first step to a new beginning. If you choose to be friends at this moment, it will often hinder the development of a new life. Whether emotionally or socially, keeping distance can help you get to know yourself better and re-examine the direction of your life. Instead of dwelling on the past, it is better to give yourself more space to grow during this time. 5. Pressure from social expectations. In an era where social networks are so advanced, many people feel that they should break up rationally after a breakup, as if this is a socially recognized standard. However, real individual experiences and feelings may be diametrically opposed to this expectation. Friendship after a breakup is not a necessary social label, but a relationship that needs results. Trying to cater to this social expectation often puts a greater psychological burden on oneself. From the description in this article, we can gradually see the potential risks and burdens of blindly choosing to be friends after a breakup. Emotions are not a simple switch that can be turned back on once it is pressed. We should not aim too high, and we should not avoid facing the real emotional pain. Perhaps at the right time, when both parties have reflected and adjusted, it is the best time to establish a friendship. But before that, leaving time to heal your heart is the best choice for each other. From a personal perspective, rebuilding after a breakup requires both courage and wisdom. First, give yourself time and space to process your emotions, reflect on the strengths and weaknesses of this relationship, help yourself grow, and also contribute to healthy relationships in the future. Secondly, don't be too concerned about the opinions and expectations of the outside world. The real meaning lies in finding a life attitude that suits you. We often feel lonely and lost after a breakup, but learning to think independently and live out ourselves can pave the way for future possibilities. At the end of our discussion, I would like to reiterate that the time after breaking up is an opportunity to enrich yourself. I hope everyone can grow up in the ups and downs of love, get out of trouble, and welcome a brighter tomorrow. In short, I hope you and I can sum up our experience and face the future in a better state. I wish every friend can have their own happiness.